example 3. So let's get into it. Copy the parameter. This is the URL which we are working with again. Now, if we do what we did was last time like this with the space to parameter thing, if we use the tamper parameter again, let's see if it gets back the result. It's checking to see if there's an injection point on the get parameter name. It's just making sure that it's not a false positive, but if it is, then the injection's not going to work. But we can try multiple ways to perform a SQL injection on this application. And you can see here, slowly over time, it's going to retrieve the database results from. It says changes made by tampering scripts and is not included to show in the payload. Fetching number of tables for database exercises. So that's actually how you do this one as well, from what I've tested and seen. So let's see if this still works in the next video. It's kind of strange that this is also still working, but it's good to just see what happens when it tries to enumerate the table. The whole point of this series is to try multiple combinations of SQL query injection to see if we can still get the same result. It's to practice and to master the skill of SQL injection attacks. Stay tuned for the next video.